tested 8 full synthetic motor oils at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, the same temperature your engine oil hits inside a turbo after a hard pull. And what I found is not what these bottles promise. Some oils started breaking down in minutes. Others lost their protective strength when the heat peaked, exactly when your engine needs the most. The scary part? These are some of the most popular premium oils you can buy right now. So which ones actually survive extreme heat? And which ones quietly fail inside your engine? Let's find out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. Why this matters. Modern engines are not like engines from 20 years ago. Turbochargers are basically heat machines. Exhaust temps can exceed 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit, and that heat transfers directly into your oil. That means your oil is regularly hitting 240 degrees to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and even higher under load. And it's not just turbos, high compression engines, direct injection, stricter emissions standards. All of these push engines to run hotter than ever. The danger zone. At around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, oil enters the danger zone. It starts to thin out and lose viscosity, oxidize and form sludge, evaporate lighter molecules, break down critical additives. Here's the scary part. Most oil tests, they're done at 210 degrees Fahrenheit, not 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So what you're told and what actually happens under real heat are two very different things. Test method. So I tested it myself. I took 8 popular full synthetic oils, heated them to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, held them there for 30 minutes, and tracked viscosity loss, oxidation, color change, smoke behavior. What I found was shocking. Failed oils, fast-paced. 1. Castrol Edge 5W30, marketed as premium, but started breaking down in 12 minutes. By 30 minutes, dark, oxidized, and heavily degraded. 2. Valvoline Advanced 5W30, thin quickly. By 30 minutes, major viscosity loss and oxidation. 3. Quaker State Ultimate Durability. Same story. Rapid thinning, burnt smell, heavy breakdown. The common problem? They all use Group 3 base oil. 4. Pennzoil Platinum. Better, thanks to GTL base stock, but still degraded under sustained heat. Good for normal driving, not for extreme conditions. Budget oils collapse. 5. Supertech. 6. Amazon Basics. 7. Kirkland Signature. 8. Generic store brands. These oils didn't just degrade, they got destroyed. Severe thinning in minutes. Heavy oxidation by 15 to 20 minutes. Completely cooked by 30 minutes. These are built to meet minimum specs, not maximum stress. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Fix for more easy car fixes and hidden maintenance secrets. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another repair video. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.